In this video, we will show how to insert a rack element in SeismoStruct. After creating our structural model, to the Element Classes tab, we select the rack element. Next, we click the Add button. A dialog window will appear. Here, we first assign a name to the element class. Then, from the Element Type drop-down menu, we select the rack element. The section geometry of the rack element can be defined in a specialized dialog box. We click the Define Section Geometry and a new dialog window appear. There are two ways to define the section geometry. The first approach is to activate the Circular Section option and specify the diameter and thickness of the section. Alternatively, the geometry can be defined manually inputting the coordinates and the thickness of the different sides of the section. In this case, the element coordinates are defined as 0, 0, 0, 0.2, and 0.2, 0.2. Subsequently, the thickness of the section is specified. For this example, a value of 0.02 is assigned. After we define the coordinates of the corner points of the section, we click on the Create Section button. The section is shown on the screen, and the elastic section properties, the Wagner coefficients and the position of the shear center are automatically calculated. Then we click OK. After defining all the parameters for the rack element, we proceed to the Element Connectivity tab. Here, we first select the Add button. In the dialog windows that opens, we enter a name to the element we want to insert, and then we select the corresponding element class. Two nodes need to be defined for these element types, representing the end nodes of the element, thus defining its length, position in space and the direction, for local axis 1. For the first node we select N011, and for the second node we select N121. After that, a rotation angle or a third node is required, so as to define the orientation of the element's cross-section, for the local axes 2 and 3, as described in Global and Local Axis System. Once all nodes are defined, we click OK and the truss element is inserted into the model.